Hello and welcome to our Okuma how-to video series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create tool models using the easy modeling software on the Okuma P500 control. So in the bottom right you'll find the jigsaw looking button and then easy modeling. Here you can select tool and new. Here you can select from multiple types of tools. You've got turning and rotating tools and even probing tools. Let's start by creating an end mill. Go down to the end mill and click OK. Here you can see in the bottom left you've got a little diagram which shows you what each dimension is referring to. And from there it's as simple as filling in the information. Work your way through, putting in the length, diameters, stick out and the number of teeth on the end mill. Once you've done this you can then click OK and it will give you the model of the tool. You can then select OK. Then you can place these tools into folders and organize them as you please. Then in the top right, select file name, enter the name of the tool and click OK. Let's do this again, but with a turning tool. I'm going to speed this up a little bit to not make the video too long. I went with a standard 80 degree, 5 degree relief CNMG turning tool. And there you can see we've got a nice, quick and easy way of creating tool models for the collision avoidance software within your Okuma OSP control. You can also make models for your tool holders to allow you to combine tools with the holders themselves. There is a range of preset holder types that you can select from. Here I'm going to select Capto C6. And this is going to give you a generic back end of the tool holder that you select. You can then go ahead and enter the diameter and the length of the shaft. Click OK and it'll produce the model of the tool holder. You can then go ahead and save as you did with the tool itself. Now we've created the tool and holder models, let's put them to use. Once you've created the tool, you want to select holder and tool and select the holder. You then want to find the holder that we just created and click OK. Then click tool and find the tool that you've just created. If you then select change settings, you can change the stick out length and other settings to do with the modeling of the tool. As always, don't forget to register to make sure that everything is saved. That brings us to the end of our how-to video series on how to set tools using the easy modeling software. If you have any further questions or would like to find out more about what we can offer here at Tech Centre Middle East, please don't hesitate to contact us at applications@techcentreme.com. Thanks for watching.